I'm gonna check the radar again.
Is that thunder?
Hilarious, sir.
Let's watch this, Mom.
I mean, those clouds are just getting darker and darker, dude.
My butt. Guys, by the way, this is not my jacket, it's my dad's, but I forgot my jacket, so.
So, we're on the Palmer Point Trail, but it's acting like this is correct, so. This is definitely the wrong, or the worst time to like tempt this, like afternoon thunderstorms, you know?
Yeah. Doesn't really look that bad to me.
Well, it looks like on the radar, there's like a little thing to the south. It does look like it could flip us if it keeps expanding, but
Well, how long is this?
a mile and a half, but
Is that like all together?
I think so.
Yeah, I mean, we should be okay as long as we
Teaching you how to race.
just keep going, you know?
Yeah.
You know what race is? These cacti? And what's going on?
Dude, there's cacti right here.
The beginnings of a columbine.
3, 2, 1, play.
Oh, yeah.
Now we can talk. Now your mouth is this. But I do have something very important to say. What is your biggest secret? Now here's the key.
Is that thunder?
That's what I just asked you. I thought I heard it before too, but it might have been a car or something.
I feel like I just felt a drop.
Broken.
Huh? Seriously?
Yeah. Alright, I'm about to check the radar again.
I feel like I heard it again.
Yeah, I mean, look. Definitely looks like it's gonna miss us.
Yeah, but you know how that goes. Pop-ups and all.
Watch this. Ready?
Come on, dude. I don't want you behind me.
You want to see some real cool stuff?
Oh, yes. Hey, it's raining.
Really?
I can hear it. Just stand. Yeah, I felt a raindrop on my head. I can.
Turn around.
Well, how much further is it?
How-
We're like 0.35 in.
It's in the tire. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, we're.
Oh, I just
That's how far we went. We gotta go all the way around the loop.
It's up to you. What do you think?
It's not raining that bad yet.
The further we get in, the further it is to turn around. Is the only problem.
Bring 2
Yeah.
umbrellas.
No, I only brought one.
Yeah,
For
let's
who?
good turn around.
You sure?
Yeah, it's just a smart thing to do.
We are having to cut this short because we have some pop-up storms around us, and we really have no idea. It is starting to rain right now. I don't know if you can tell, but definitely got some dark clouds out there.
I love this rain. It's really good.
Starting to rain a little heavier now. There's a rainbow out there. Yes. There's one down here, and then there's one up there.
Wait, no, there's another one, Mom. There's another one. There's another one below that one.
Below it and up above.
Oh my gosh, yes. Below it and up
All right,
above.
come on. Daddy's ahead of us. We gotta go.
I really have a feeling.
We're going the wrong way?
No, we're gonna.
Oh.
As soon as
Yeah,
we
I'd
get
already
packed
seen.
up to go.
Yeah, it's gonna be like blue skies, sunny.
Yeah, I mean, that's a little system right there. That's over Black Forest.
Yeah.
It looks bad. I mean, as you can tell, the clouds are here, but it's kind of already past us. Yeah.
We can like go that way a little bit or something.
No.
We might be able to see the rainbow better.
No!
I don't want to.
I'm excited to eat something and go home and lay down and do nothing.
Yeah, we don't need to get caught out in no major rain with her, you know?
Where do we go?
Yeah, the black forest one came out of nowhere, you
We
know?
go this way. I say,
It's this way.
Go. It's this way. Princess Maya.
Are we gonna do a loop?
That was the loop, dude.
Are we still gonna do the trail?
No.
Then what are we doing?
We're just going back to the car.
Okay.
It's too risky with your sister.
This doesn't look like we're going back to the car.
Wait a minute before you get up there. Dang, there's a lot more cars here, isn't
I
there?
know. This is a big deer.
Oh,
See it?
Yep.
I don't.
It is like very vibrant.
I don't think the upper ones are there anymore.
It was just crazy. And then Pikes Peak's out there.
Yeah, you can actually see the mountains now.
When we first got here, you couldn't see them. Okay, you need to be careful.
Oh, I didn't see this before.
What, the rock out here?
Yeah, it's like outcrop, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
I saw it. Yeah, I saw it before my
You know, this looks like a marshmallow that like just got like slightly burnt.
Yeah.
Okay, hi. So I'm Natalie, and I'm obviously one of the children, you know. So we're not at the end, but we finished it because it started to rain and thunder and my dad said there was a little thingy and it might get bigger, so we just went head back. And we came over here to look at this thing, and it shows the big view. And yeah, so we finished. I liked it. I wear Crocs, so you can wear Crocs if you want, or you don't have to wear tennis shoes on this, unless you're like hiking on like the rocks maybe. But we just went on a normal little trail. But yeah, I rated the trail, the little part 9 out of 10. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
What about you, dude?
Yeah, it was not like the best trail. Overall, I liked it, but it was like pretty good. But it's not the best trail, and I like the part where Daddy said turn around because my legs are really tired.
All right, we'll ask Daddy what he thought.
All right. So we didn't really make it that far, probably only a little bit over a mile. It's storming all around us, and we did get rained on a little bit, and we heard some thunder, so it's not really worth it to get caught in the storm with her. It's pretty cool here. It's pretty flat. It's just more of an interesting geology area than anything else. All the rocks just look crazy. It's just definitely a cool place. What did you think, Aspen?
I think that face says it all. She's a little sleepy baby.
Oh, here we gotta do you.
Yeah, all right, so this trail was a little short today. It was okay. I think the kids liked it. It's definitely an easy one for us. Kind of like one of those places we can go to on a day like today where the kids get out of school and we just head to a trail. Definitely probably be back to this area because there is a lot of other trails in it. And you do get some good scenery while you're out here once you're kind of up on the higher parts. But yeah, other than that, it was pretty good. The wind's probably getting her. You know how she is.
Yep. Oh yeah, she's giving me mean looks.
Yeah.